Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're over here on the Sanderson farm. You know, we get a lot of chicken litter off of all these chicken houses that we operate. So I want to show you something right here. That is chicken litter, my friends. Now this has been composted underneath a shed 30 miles from here, and where the chicken farm is located actually. And so now we're gonna get this bunched up here. We've been hauling and take a bulldozer and push and pile. And the bulldozer, it'll pack it down. You know, you push it up there, it's real fluffy. But the bulldozer will pack it down and firm it up. And when we get ready to use it on the fields, we'll reload it and carry it to the individual fields. And so most of this will get loaded for the, actually this will be the third time this litter's been moved. We have to load one time out of the chicken houses, carry it to the litter shed, where it composts in there for maybe a year. And then we reload it, bring it here, then we'll reload it and carry it somewhere else. So so this is the dozer right here we're fixing to get on and use. It's an older dozer, but I got it in pretty good shape. D6T LGP. All right. So old pile gets pretty good size, but let me get on the dozer and I'll get back with you. Guys, just as soon as I got started pushing, I pushed about a blade or two full and Jeremy pulls up. So I want to show you this process right here, what Jeremy's doing. He's actually hauling it. And so he opens a small door there, and then he undoes his locks on the big tailgate. Then he'll hit another lever and the big tailgate to swing out like that right there. And if you looked at an earlier video of one where we were hauling grain, and we're hauling grain over to the Warsaw grain elevator, that we were using this same trailer for hauling corn. So it's a very versatile trailer here, but the main reason we bought it was what you're looking at right here. Although you can haul grain with it, but you can't haul litter with a hopper bottom. So this is our process here. He turns the belt on, and the bottom of the belt in the bottom of the trailer, I think is somewhere around 38, 40 inches. I'm not exactly sure, but excuse me. It slides out good there. See it on up the trailer. See it just breaking loose and coming on out. We get it pushed out so far, then you have to pull up a little bit. You can kind of see where I pushed up here, my first push right here. You try to keep your blade out of the dirt. You don't want to push any dirt. So just skim across the top of the ground, and you have to slope it up and get it going, because you got to carry it up that high hill. Walk forward here. That high hill right here in front of the dozer. And so in that 30-mile trip, he'll get about 4 or 5 loads a day. But when he gets there, he has to load himself with a front-end Caterpillar loader. And it goes under the shed, and scoops it up, loads it into the trailer, gets about a dozen bucket loads into a trailer. Now he's gonna pull up here, make a little room to unload some more. All right, he's getting it kind of low here. Of course, he's sitting in the seat of the truck. It's You know, he can't see what's going on exactly right here, but he's looking at his mirrors, seeing when it quits falling. I'll wave him on forward there, but when it quits falling, he can pull up some and do his clean out there. So that's probably the last time he'll pull up, get it going there. And there you go. All right, well, Jeremy's getting there now. He's got his gloves put on. He's got to rake off the edges of the steps on the side and so forth, so it don't fall on the highway when he goes back to reload. And he's about got the trailer empty here. He's got to clean out the edges there so the big door is shut back good. I think he's got a stick or crowbar or something maybe to do that with, I'm not sure. Okay, he does it with his hands. All right, now he's ready to put the door back down. And then there's a lock on each side. Now he'll hit his lock button and them locks will slide up and hold the door shut. There you go. Then he'll put his little door down. And he'll be ready for another load. So that shows you a little process of how we get it here. Now we're going to get back on showing you putting it in a pile. All right, guys, I got Jeremy going, and we're going to get here and start pushing up some more of this litter. Got to make me a little bit of a ramp. Carry this one all the way up to the top. Grab me a little bit off the right hand side here, left hand side too. All right. Here we go. Up the mountain. Big old pile of litter now. I don't know how we are, but we're up here a good ways. I kind of let the bulldozer tip over a little bit, but the brakes on this thing works great. You let it come back down. See the drone up there. Paul's on the ground flying the drone and trying to get some better shots for you. You know, this chicken litter is great fertilizer. Especially when it's kept dry. And of course, you know, this is going to have to stay out here for probably a couple months, but we'll put a canvas over it. I've got some big canvases at the shop. It's 100 by 100, but you can drape them over the top of the pile and put a few cinder blocks around the edges and they'll stay right there. I've done this right here for years and years. We've actually been in, had some sort of poultry litter since '62. My daddy got into growing turkeys with the same company that I'm with right now, growing chickens. So, but we used to have turkey houses, and so we've been using some type of poultry litter, turkey litter, and now chicken litter for a long time. And it makes great fertilizer. A lot of different nutrients in it. We take analysis of it on this pile, and we'll know what we got and know about what the tonnage to put per acre. But it's normally, you know, 2 to 4 tons in there, depending on the potency of the litter. I got a little technique I do here. Keep from making too big a footprint. I come out to the side like this and just twist it in a little bit and bring the side, cave the sides in, and get it over here in the middle so I can push it up to the peak. If you try to keep pushing straight all the way over to the sides, it'll just spread out too wide. You know, I've got several bulldozers. One of them is a small dozer, but it doesn't have a cab on it. Now, I have pushed a lot of litter with it, but on a windy day, man, that's not fun. You get out here and all that fluff and fine material in this, it just blows back on you so bad, and this really makes you want to run to a shower just as soon as you get off the bulldozer. This one more shot right here, and I'm going to stop on top and kind of give you an idea of how high we are with this pile. Hop out here. Give you an idea of how high we are. There's the trucks back down there. That's where I was pushing from. So we're up here pretty good. Some ponds here at the Sanderson farm. So you don't want to fall from up here, I can tell you that. But I'm gonna get back on it and go back to pushing some more. Guys, just want to give you a little quick view of the process of hauling litter, moving litter, and there'll be some more of it later on in another video. We're going to have to spread it in the field. That'll be another process I want to show you, but that's probably going to be all of this video this time. So until the next video, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you will. And I appreciate you watching. See you.